Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
good morning. I hope everybody has completed till lesson number 7 in your books.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So till lesson number 7, till lesson number 7, 1 to 7 PDF I have already sent in the group, dated 30th June. If you want to copy anything missed out, you can copy from there, from lesson number 1 to 7. Now today we are going to start with lesson number 8, for a cause. For a cause means, for a cause means, the word cause means karan. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
For
Yes, ma'am.
many diseases are preventable. Many diseases are preventable. Preventable means many diseases are preventable. We can avoid,
Provide.
हाँ, prevent,
Avoid them.
अपने आप को बचा सकते हैं काफी diseases से. Then some are curable or some or can be controlled. And if some diseases are there, they are curable. उनका treatment हो सकता है and can be controlled. And some diseases can also be controlled. Then if diagnosed at early stage, diagnosed. What does the word diagnosed means? Identify.
Ma'am, बीमारी
Ma'am.
हाँ, yes, Tanman. Yes,
Ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, I am having some network issues, so I am leaving the class. Can you please take me again?
Okay, हाँ, no problem. No problem. If any network issue is there, I can let
Thank you, ma'am.
you again. So, some,
Ma'am, diagnosis done.
diagnosed means identified. If these diseases are identified early at the early stage, अगर शुरुआत में ही इन डिजीजेस के बारे में पता चल जाए कि इसको ये प्रॉब्लम है और वो डॉक्टर से कंसर्न करे, देन दैट डिजीज कैन बी क्योर्ड. उसका ट्रीटमेंट पॉसिबल है और उसको फर्दर वर्स कंडीशन न हो इसलिए उसको कंट्रोल भी किया जा सकता है. क्लियर दिस मच? सो मेरी
Yes,
डिजीज
Yes.
ma'am.
प्रिवेंटेबल, बहुत सारी डिजीजेस प्रिवेंटेबल है, उनसे बचाया जा सकता है. सम आर क्योरेबल, किसी का ट्रीटमेंट भी हो सकता है और कंट्रोल भी हो सकता है इफ दे आर प्रॉपरली डायग्नोज्ड एट द अर्ली स्टेज. अर्ली स्टेज मीन्स एट द बिगिनिंग. अगर उनको प्रॉपरली उनका आइडेंटिफाइड हो जाए वो डिजीज तो उनका ट्रीटमेंट पॉसिबल है. यस सचिन, एनी प्रॉब्लम विद यू बेटा?
मैम गलती से हो गया.
Okay. They often go undetected because of lack of awareness. Lack of awareness means कभी कभी हमें पता भी नहीं चलता है और इसीलिए जब हम उसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं है तो हमें पता भी नहीं चलता है कि वो कौन सी हमें बीमारी है. So however they often go undetected because of lack of awareness. हमें उस कुछ बीमारियों की जानकारी नहीं है इसलिए हमें पता नहीं चल पाता है कि हमें कौन सी बीमारी हो रही है. In order to create awareness, so in order to create awareness, to spread awareness among the people about a particular disease, to lend support and in some cases to raise funds for the cause, individuals and organizations have come together and devised ingenious ways to educate people for a cause. Means बहुत ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस और इंडिविजुअल्स ने वो साथ में आए हैं और उन्होंने क्या करा है, डिफरेंट स्टेप्स लिए हैं टू सपोर्ट द पीपल हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम सच इनक्योरेबल डिजीजेस और एंड टू स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस अबाउट पर्टिकुलर डिजीजेस. और उन इफ डिजीजेस आर आइडेंटिफाइड तो टू रेज द फंड्स ऑल्सो, फंड्स भी रेज करने का है. क्लियर? Wait,
Yes, ma'am.
wait a second.
Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Wait.
Yes, ma'am, now it is visible. Ma'am, now it is visible.
Okay, fine. So you can mark here that many organizations and many individuals have come together. For what purpose? To educate people, to make the people aware about these diseases. Clear? So that people can know about these diseases and they can be uh, diagnosed और आइडेंटिफाइड एट अर्ली स्टेज ओनली. शुरुआत में ही लोगों को पता चल जाए कि उन्हें कौन सी बीमारी हो रही है एंड दे कैन गेट द प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट. एंड फॉर दिस दे आर रेजिंग, दीज इंडिविजुअल एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस आर रेजिंग फंड्स ऑल्सो. किसी तरह का फंड्स मीन्स मनी कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं ताकि जो इससे सफर कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर पर्टिकुलर डिजीजेस से उनको वो हेल्प आउट कर सके. क्लियर दिस मच?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now coming to the choose the correct option. Now you have to choose the correct option about the particular disease. Mental health disorder. First is mental health disorder. Now it refers to the disruption in the people's intellectual behavior and you can mark your
Ma'am, emotional.
emotional.
Ma'am,
Emotional.
emotional well-being.
Yes, emotional well-being. So what is mental disorder? Mental health disorder means people are not proper intellectually, their behavior is not proper and they are emotionally not well
Well behaving.
behaving. They are not emotionally well. Clear? So it is usually caused by the stress, depression, change in circumstance, economic instability or trauma. What is the cause of this mental
Ma'am, what is trauma?
trauma? Means any type of we can say tension. एक टेंशन हो जाती है कोई तो हम उसको सोच में लग जाते हैं. That is called as trauma, mental tension. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
mental health disorder is caused by the stress. कुछ स्ट्रेस आ गया हमें किसी के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हमारे लाइफ में हमको फेस करना पड़ रहा है या किसी का डिप्रेशन हो गया हमें इफ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग गुड मार्क्स और या किसी भी तरीके से हम डिप्रेशन में चले जाएं इट इज just then we will get a mental health disorder. So we should avoid all these tension, depression type of situations. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Trauma will be there. So it usually affects a person. Now here it refers what is mental health disorder. This is the definition of mental disorder, health disorder. Second is what is the cause of mental disorder. It is the second point given here. Now what are the effects of mental health disorder? What are the effects of mental health disorder? It usually affects a person physical health. अब इससे mental health disorder से क्या होगा? Person will be not physically healthy
Good.
and the ability to enjoy life and he will not be able to enjoy his life if a
Like.
depression या कोई stress होगा तो he will not enjoy his life. He will always remain in very bad mood, tension में रहेगा and it will lead to mental health disorder. So every time you should be happy and you should not take so much stress or pain for some other particular situation. Clear? Warning,
Yes, ma'am.
warning
Ma'am.
lasting. Warning signs include long-lasting sadness or irritability. Means warning signs. अब now what are the warning signs? Warning signs कौन से हैं उसमें कि आप बहुत लंबे समय तक long lasting sadness बहुत लंबे समय तक आपको सब कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. You will feel very sad from inside and you will feel irritated whenever anybody wants to
Very alone.
alone also very good, very alone, very irritated whenever anybody will ask you to come and play या आपको कोई काम करने के लिए बोलेगा तो you will not like that. So it is all just because your mental हाँ clear and high and low moods, mood swing. कभी आपको अच्छा लगेगा कभी कभी एकदम से sad हो जाओगे. So these are the mood swings. Excessive fear, कभी कभी बहुत ज्यादा आपको डर महसूस होगा, वरी और एंजाइटी मीन्स वरी और टेंशन मूड में रहेगा। सोशल विड्रॉल मीन्स आप किसी से मिलना जुलना पसंद नहीं करेंगे, आप सोसाइटी में मूव ऑन नहीं करना चाहेंगे, आप अपने आप को चाहेंगे कि आप अलोन बस बैठे रहें, सोचते रहें एक तरह से। सो दिस विल बी ऑल जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर नॉट मेंटली हेल्दी। क्लियर? चेंजेस इन
Yes.
हैबिट्स
Yes,
एंड
ma'am.
ईटिंग हैबिट्स और स्लीप पैटर्न्स में भी चेंज हो जाएगा। या तो आप सोते ही रहना पसंद करोगे, ना तो किसी से बात करना पसंद, ना किसी से खेलना पसंद, बस आपको लगेगा मैं सोता रहूं, मैं अपने अलग से अपने रूम में लेटा रहूं। तो दिस इज ऑल जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर हैविंग सम और द अदर काइंड ऑफ mental tension, and you should try to avoid that by talking to your parents, by talking to your friends, by talking to your teacher. Clear? Now it is one of the leading cause of disability in the world. Now this is one of the leading cause of disability. एक तरीके से disability है, ये mental health disorder. Now celebrities who talk about their mental health include, now few celebrities names are given like Lady Ganga, Adele and Beyonce. These are the few celebrities who had talked about their mental health. Clear this first paragraph? And when is
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Health Day? World Mental Health Day.
10 October. 10 October.
Himanshi
On
Jhangi,
10 October.
mark your present. What happened? Erase this, beta. Himanshi Jhangi. Now, second question, sorry, second part now. Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. In short, it is called as ADHD. Himanshi Jangir, erase this scribbling what you have done on the screen.
Ma'am, too much background voice is coming.
Keep your audios off, beta. Mute your. Okay, now attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, that is ADHD. It is a mental disorder. Now, this is also a type of mental disorder that can cause above normal levels of hyperactive and impulsive behavior. Means if a person is hyperactive, means normal person से वो बहुत ज़्यादा active है, then it is above normal levels. Clear? So this is a type of mental disorder. Have you marked it above normal? Then second is person with ADHD may have trouble focusing their attention on a single task. As we know that they are hyperactive, बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सेसिव में एक्टिव होते हैं, तो वो अपना फोकस या अटेंशन एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पर फिक्स नहीं कर पाते हैं. क्लियर? कोई पर्टिकुलर टास्क पे वो अपना फोकस नहीं कर पाते हैं. और सिटिंग स्टिल फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, और एक समय पे एक जगह पर वो बहुत समय तक नहीं बैठ सकते, बिकॉज दे आर कंसिडर्ड एज हाइपर एक्टिव पीपल. दे मे बिकम फॉरगेटफुल अबाउट कंप्लीटिंग टास्क, गेटिंग डिस्ट्रैक्ट इजीली. आसानी से वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. कभी कभी वो अपना टास्क पूरा करना भूल जाते हैं, क्योंकि वो पहला टास्क पूरा करते नहीं और वो चाहते हैं कि वो दूसरा टास्क भी स्टार्ट कर दें. तो दे आर नॉट एबल टू कंप्लीट द, they are forgetting about the completing the task, they are distracted easily and interrupting people when they are speaking, and they are in the habit of interrupting means बीच बीच में बोलना. दो जने बीच में बात कर रहे हैं तो वो जो हाइपर एक्टिव होगा वो क्या होगा, वो बीच बीच में से बात करने लग जाएगा. क्लियर? दैट इज interrupting people. Adults and children can have ADHD. Even adults and children, both of them can be ADHD.
ADHD. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder.
Correct.
Attention deficit hyperactive disorder.
Yes. ADHD Awareness Month is October every year. So which is the ADHD Awareness Month?
October.
October. Clear?
October of every year.
Yes, October is ADHD Awareness Month. Here it is written also here. See the sign. You have to remember the sign. Yes.
मैम इस लाइन का मतलब क्या है? ADHD अवेयरनेस मंथ इज अक्टूबर एवरी.
हाँ. So here these are the different types of mental disorders, beta. We are talking about here disorders. So first we have read about mental health disorder, where people are emotionally weak. Clear? Now this is the second type,
Emotional disorder.
deficit hyperactive disorder, in which people, even the children and the adult, both are hyperactive.
मैम मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि जो ADHD अवेयरनेस मंथ इज अक्टूबर एवरी ईयर, मैम इस पर्टिकुलर लाइन का मतलब क्या
ये यहाँ पर बेटा अवेयरनेस मंथ, अक्टूबर इज अवेयरनेस मंथ. अक्टूबर इज अवेयरनेस मंथ. किसका अवेयरनेस मंथ है? अटेंशन डिफिशिएट हाइपर एक्टिविटी डिसऑर्डर का अवेयरनेस मंथ है, कि लोगों को अवेयर किया जाए अबाउट दिस
ओके
disorder. Clear?
ओके
Now,
यस मैम.
now the celebrities who live with ADHD include, अब कौन कौन से celebrities इस hyperactivity disorder से को फेस करते हैं? माइकल फिलिप्स, एडम लेवाइन and Justin Timberlake.
Timberlake.
Are the three important celebrities which are facing this type of hyperactivity disorder. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now third is AIDS. Yes, beta.
मैम ये जो वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ डे है मैम, वो जो 10 अक्टूबर को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं क्या?
बेटा ये सेलिब्रेट नहीं, ये एक तरीके से जैसे फादर्स डे, मदर्स डे, टीचर्स डे बनाते हैं ना, वैसे ये 10 अक्टूबर को ये, ताकि वर्ल्ड में अवेयर किया जाए कि दिस इज द टाइप ऑफ mental disorder and people should be made aware about that, so that they don't face any type of trauma, tension in their life. वो किसी तरह का स्ट्रेस नहीं ले, कोई भी बात को लेकर के टेंशन नहीं ले. ठीक है ना? उनको करने के लिए ये डेज मेनली लोगों को अवेयर करने के लिए, ताकि पर्टिकुलर इस डे पे तो लोगों को अवेयर किया जाए अबाउट दीज टाइप्स ऑफ डिसऑर्डर्स.
ओके मैम.
नाउ एड्स. Now what is the full form of AIDS? Acquired Immune Deficiency Syndrome. AIDS full form is Acquired Immune Deficiency
Syndrome.
It is the full form of. Now it is caused by a virus. Now what is the main cause of this AIDS? AIDS का क्या कारण है? It is caused by a virus. एक वायरस होता है which is called as HIV. एक वायरस का नाम क्या है?
HIV. Now what is full form of HIV?
HIV,
Human heart
Human Immunodeficiency Virus. आया समझ में? This is
Ma'am.
Human Immunodeficiency.
virus.
This virus is the main cause of AIDS. अगर ये वायरस है तो वो मतलब एड्स से सफर है कर रहा है वो इंडिविजुअल. Its awareness symbol is red ribbon. Now what is the symbol of AIDS?
रेड रिबन.
Red ribbon.
Red ribbon.
Red ribbon. And World's AIDS Day. World's AIDS Day is 1st December. World's AIDS Day is
1st December.
December 1st.
okay. Clear till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now fourth. Livestrong and Uvestrong support for cancer. This is the fourth disorder. Livestrong and Uvestrong support for cancer. Now they are non-profit organizations in USA and India So where are these types of organizations? These are the two types of organization, Livestrong and Strong. Organizations. Where are these organizations?
USA and
India.
Yes, USA and India, which provide support to people with cancer. Now, these organizations provide support to which type of people?
ma'am,
And
cancer.
who are suffered from cancer.
Yes, who are suffering from cancer.
Suffering from cancer.
They are founded by disgraced road cyclist and cancer survivor Lance Armstrong and Yuvraj Singh. So they are founded. These organizations are found by whom? These organizations are formed by road.
Yuvraj Singh and Lance Armstrong.
MS Dhoni.
Yes, cyclist Lance Armstrong and Yuvraj Singh.
Singh.
Yuvraj Singh. Clear? Mark
Yes.
Ma'am.
wrong answers because half yearly exams will be there for GK, and if you have marked wrong, you will suffer from there then. Now, cancer is the class of disease. Now, what is cancer? Cancer is a class of disease characterized by out of control cell growth. So, what is a cancer? It is a class of disease which is characterized by out of control cell growth. Cell growth बहुत सारे cell growth होने लगता है. There are over 100. There are over 100.
100 different type of cancer.
Different types of cancer.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now next is autism. Autism or autism spectrum disorder, ASD, is an learning or developmental disability. What is autism? What is autism?
Ma'am, it is learning or
Learning or development decision.
Learning or developmental disability.
Ma'am,
This is
ma'am, in exam, how questions will come on these topics?
बेटा you will be made aware about that. Just now you please pay attention कि आपको ये काम कैसे करना है. ये जैसा है उसी के वे में आएगा ना. Okay. If any other way it will come, we will inform you. But whatever in any form, MCQ, whatever form it is given, it will come in the same way. If any other way will be coming, then we will give you the revision work for that, है ना? कि इस वे से भी पूछा जा सकता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Okay, ma'am.
it is caused by brain abnormality and is of varying degrees of different people. Now this autism, which is learning and developmental disability, it is caused by a brain abnormality. Brain में कोई abnormality हो जाती है, इससे ये autism हो जाता है. Clear? And its awareness symbol is
Ma'am.
jigsaw. Its awareness symbol is jigsaw.
Zigzag.
Jigsaw's
So,
yes, Jigsaw's ribbon. World Autism Day is second.
2 April.
Yes, second.
2nd April.
2nd of April.
So maybe the questions also, very short questions can also be asked. When is World Autism Day celebrated, or when in concern? World Autism
Ma'am,
Day
2 April.
2nd April, or it can be
2nd of April.
Okay. Now breast cancer. Pinkerton is a 10-kilometer run for women in many cities around the world to create awareness about breast cancer. Now about breast cancer, this is 10-kilometer run for women in many cities. So what is Pinkerton? Pinkerton is a 10-kilometer run for women
Rain for women in many cities.
around the world. Why it is a run for many cities? To
Ma'am, because mostly women get breast cancer.
create breast cancer, to create awareness about the breast cancers among women, especially these breast cancers are among the women. Most only will not come mostly. Underline the word mostly. Mostly women get breast cancer. Clear? Breast cancer ज़्यादातर women's में होता है. Former Australian cricketer Glenn McGrath. Glenn McGrath runs the McGrath Foundation in the memory of his wife Jenny, who lost her fight against breast cancer. आया समझ में? जेन मैक
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
फाउंडेशन अपनी वाइफ की मेमोरी में रखा. उनकी वाइफ का क्या नाम था? जेनी, जिनकी डेथ हो गई ब्रेस्ट कैंसर की.
Geraldine.
क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Disorders. Now about the fact. Sometimes people also use symbols and signs to protest or show their disapproval. कभी-कभी लोग कोई symbol या कोई sign protest के रूप में that they do not agree on some certain points, certain views, तो वो एक तरीके से protest शुरू कर देते हैं against में. और किसके वो क्या दिखाते हैं? कोई symbol दिखाते हैं, कोई sign दिखाते हैं कि they are against the particular viewpoint. This is one of the most talked about protests ever. US athlete Tommy Smith, gold medalist. Who was Tommy Smith? Tommy Smith was US athlete
Gold medal.
and
Gold medal.
Tommy Smith was US athlete and a gold medalist. And John Carlos. Who was John Carlos? John.
Bronze protested.
He also won the bronze medal and he protested during the victory ceremony of 200-meter race at Mexico Olympics in
1968.
1998 में, which Olympics were held? Mexico Olympics were held. So these Tommy Smith and John Carlos had protested and shown their disapproval in this. What happened, Mayank? By bowing their heads and raising their gloved fist. Gloved fist means gloves पहने fist. What is a fist? Closed hand. Closed hand. Fisty बोलेंगे ना?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes. The closed fist, and that fist is also with the gloved. Glove means gloves पहने हुए हैं. So how they were showing that they had a disapproval. कैसे वो disapproval show कर रहे थे? By raising their hands
Ma'am, by raising their hands.
and
I'm the symbol for the black power.
gloved, हाँ, gloved fist था उनका and the symbol of black power. This was the symbol of black power. Clear? उनके साथ equality भी नहीं treatment हो रहा था, इसीलिए वो black power show करने के लिए they were raising their hands which were having gloved fist, जिनकी हाथ में glove पहना हुआ था और वो उनकी मुट्ठी बंद थी. They also wore black socks and no shoes. They also wore black socks and no shoes.
No shoes.
Were there. It was a protest against racism. Protest against racism means against the color.
Yes.
उनको भेदभाव होता था. यूएस में क्या होता था? यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में इनइक्वालिटी फेस करनी पड़ती थी. ब्लैक और व्हाइट के बीच में बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस था. डिफरेंशिएशन शो करते थे. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता था. व्हाइट को अलग ट्रीटमेंट देते थे यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स वाले, और जो ब्लैक जो अफ्रीकन थे उनके साथ गलत व्यवहार करते थे. दे वर नॉट ट्रीटेड इक्वली. एंड सो प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट दिस टॉमी स्मिथ एंड जॉन कार्लोस हैड done this type of what? Sign or symbol.
Protest.
Sign or symbol.
For
Symbol.
unfair of black by the government. Unfair black के साथ इसीलिए. Clear? 30 years later in 1998, the US government honored the two athletes. Clear this much, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, do you know what
Yes, ma'am.
words usually signify on the sports field? You can write down here. Black ambrades usually signify. What does black usually signify? Black ambrades is worn. Black ambrades. Ambrades means कलाई पे जो पहनते हैं, ठीक है ना? हाथ में जो black ambrades पहनते हैं is worn in mourning. 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 Mourning means to show that they are very sad. किसी की डेथ हो जाती है तो बहुत सैडनेस दिखाते हैं, सौरो दिखाते हैं कि बहुत उनको दुख है. अपना दुख व्यक्त करने
Ma'am, what to write?
ब्लैक
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
ब्लैक एम्ब्रेड्स
No, coming clearly.
एम्ब्रेड्स is worn in morning, MOURNING, after the death, or loss of, after
Ma'am,
the
can you, ma'am,
or loss of someone important, or close to a team or sport. कोई बहुत नजदीकी का कोई क्लोज पर्सन, कोई टीम का मेंबर की डेथ हो जाती है तो दे यूज टू वेयर द ब्लैक आर्म बैंड्स, आर्म, अपने आर्म पे वो क्या पहनते थे, ब्लैक बैंड्स पहन लेते थे। क्या शो करता था वो कि वो बहुत दुखी है, अपना
हमको बहुत दुखी है।
कि कोई पर्सन में से किसी की डेथ हो गई है इसलिए। ये देखो सबके आर्म बैंड्स पहने हैं, ब्लैक आर्म बैंड्स पहने हैं।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for today. In our next class we are going to start with lesson number 9.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Type once again.
thank you, ma'am.
Box.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.